Alright guys, we can't really talk too much about this thing. It's Polyslop, and it looks like somebody's little project thing. They did a lot of competitions and things like that with the VSTs and stuff like that, and maybe this was just somebody's little project child. It's kind of still cool, and I like playing with things like this, and I like dissecting stuff like this, reverse engineering, and a lot of learning stuff. So it's in my arsenal. I wouldn't get rid of it. It's nothing that I pull up a lot, but it's worth the mention, and it's kind of fun just to see. I guess just from a learning point of view, um, it's kind of neat to see. These things are. This is just more of a collection piece for me, I guess. So, Polyslop from Necromare Music. You can go check these guys out. I haven't really dug into. Probably at one point in time I did look further into this, but it's in my arsenal. It's kind of fun to play with. We'll just hit a couple of the presets here for you guys, and for me, it's more of a collector's piece. Kind of artifacty. Well, I'm getting a lot of artifacts out of it. It's in my arsenal. It's kind of cool. I wanted to give it a mention. Won't do a super long video on it, but it is definitely a cool little gadget here. And this was somebody's baby, and they probably learned a lot. Maybe this person has gone on to make bigger and better things. I'm not quite sure, but I think it's still cool. And go check it out, Polyslop. Learn something. We are going down my VSTs. We have a whole lot of better ones that have been brought up, and you can check those out on my VST playlist that is in my YouTube channel down there. And hit that like and subscribe button, because we are going to be going down the VST list, which is very, very in-depth list of mine that I've been collecting for years and years and years. So I like to get people pointed in the right direction, and check those things out. It might save you some time, and I definitely go on into a more of a fundamental on the software side of things. So I'll see you guys on the next video.